looks like the end of the road. We could go the other way. I just went straight because I figured it's easy to find our way back. So we just found this awesome hill climb like out in the middle of the woods. I saw it and I was like, dude, look at that thing. That's freaking so steep. I see Jono going up to it. He's shaking his head like, and then he goes for it. I'm like, screw it. I might as well try it. So it's freaking awesome. Best hill climb yet. Been looking for a good one. Looking for a good one, man. Found it. Found it. Fucking hell yeah! I know this doesn't look steep on camera, guys, but believe me, this is like really, really steep. Here we go. Whoa! Fuck yeah! That was fucking awesome. I get a video of Jono coming up. God damn. That's the freaking coolest hill climb I ever hit. That thing is steep. Damn, son.
That was better. The second time was fucking all over the place.
Did you shift up? It was bogging. I was asking if you shifted to second because you were bogging at the top last time.
That's because I was low at plus I was sliding in the fucking
Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh no. Oh no, I'm just sliding. Sliding. What do you think? I bet you'll be fine. I was just afraid to like slip out and then end up with my bike in there. That was sketchy. guys, I just dumped it. Didn't get hurt, but this got bent, and then I tried bending it back by hitting it with a rock, which I already kind of knew was going to break it, and then it broke. So we're going to see if I can get home without a clutch now. Alright, let's try it. So it actually is, I just rode for a little while. I went ahead of Jono. It's actually working good enough just like this, where I can get it going in first gear. And then once I'm going, I don't really need the clutch, I guess. I'm just shifting without it. But yeah, looks like I'll be able to get home, no problem. But this definitely sucks. Alright guys, no problemo. Old clutchy's broken, but we made it back, no problem. That's the ride for today. Peace.